The point list in icon is a powerful new tool which can be used to view, sort, filter, edit, and create point data. The point list is found in all applications in the map handler, and once selected, you can define which points to view, from project reference data, such as a DXF file or CSV file, or in this case, points generated in the field. It can display up to 500 points in 5 scrollable pages. The point list displays the point icon and point ID on the left-hand side, followed by the coordinates. Tap this arrow to move to the next screen, which displays code applied, pole height, and prism type used, if using the icon robot. The following page displays the job, sensor used, and, for GPS points, the coordinate quality. The cut or fill values and 3D staked quality can be viewed here. Whether the point is connected to a line or arc is indicated here, whilst in the final screen, the creation time and update time is shown. To view all these values for one specific point, tap and hold that point, and an overview is given, with all the values mentioned. To sort a file by a specific category, tap that category. Tap a point to select it, then select Edit from the toolbox to view and edit certain fields, for example point ID, code, prism type, and pole height. I'll give this point a code, building. To create a new point, select New Point from the toolbox and enter the relevant point information. It is possible to assign a code and point ID to this point, and even create a control point. This is useful when in the setup application, for example, to input stationing points. It is possible to filter the list to display only certain points using the search function. For example, to display points between 25 and 30, define that range, and points 25 to 30 are shown in the list. Points can also be filtered according to code. To view, for example, the building layer, select Code and insert Building. The list is then filtered to display only the building layer. To configure how the columns are distributed, tap and hold in the column header to open a configuration screen. Define here the distribution of the columns in each block. The point list can be used to inspect work done. In this example, observe the cut and fill values contained within a surface check. Tap the top of the list to sort the values. Using the Viewing Options tool in the map handler, it is now possible to display values for the points next to them in the map. In this example, the cut and fill value is displayed next to the point ID for each of these points. Use the point list to select points for staking out. Search for specific point IDs, or in this case, elevations. Select a point to stake out, then select Map. The point is selected in the map and ready to be staked out. The point list is available in all applications within icon and provides a central place to view, sort, filter, edit, and create point data, all without the requirement for additional software. Still using icon, still in the field.